Finally, I figured out Squarespace form tracking using Google Tag Manager. Okay, this might not seem like a big deal to everyone, but it actually is. It's not so easy to fire some sort of an event through Google Tag Manager using Squarespace. So the way that I did it, right, is I went to admin in my Google Tag Manager container, went to install Google Tag Manager. I copied this code. I just did a test Squarespace site. Let me go to it. Right here. In the search area, I just typed in header, right, for code injection. That pops up. Then I put my Google Tag Manager code snippet here. And now inside Google Tag Manager, I've got a Squarespace listener. So this is custom HTML. It fires on all pages. Now the idea is it only pushes an event. It's a Squarespace event. It's called, I've got it down here. You can call it whatever you like, but in the case of this code, it's, where is it? Squarespace underscore form underscore submit. So it only pushes that event when all the inputs from the form are extracted and have content. So unfortunately, this is only going to work if you make all the fields required. So that's the only kind of stipulation here. So it's not a perfect solution, but it's a really good solution because it works really well. So just make all of your fields required, and then you can do Google Ads conversion tracking properly and have it work. And you can do GA4 and meta and everything else, all from GTM. So let me show you that it works. Now we can just go preview. I've previewed this a million times now, so it's populated this with my test Squarespace site. Okay, so this will populate. Yeah, there we go. There's my Squarespace listener. It fired. And I'm just going to hit send. Watch. So there's no content in here. These are both required fields. And the event did not fire. I'm going to fill out one. Hit send. Okay, event did not fire. I'm going to add to this one. Again, they're both required. Thank you. And there it is, Squarespace underscore form underscore submit. Perfect. And then we can go to data layer. And then we can use this variable for, it might be different for yours, right? So I don't want to include it in the Google Tag Manager container, but you can see we're passing the email and we're passing the form content, like the description. So if you're passing phone number, an address, whatever, all of the inputs are going to be here. I'm actually quite happy with this. This took a long time to put together and find a solution for. Because you can see here, like if you type in form tracking, tracking Squarespace, nobody really has a solution for it. The old solution used to be you pass a data layer event on the thank you message. In the new version of Squarespace, this isn't allowed anymore. You can't do that. Let's see. Anyway, I don't know if anybody's method works. Okay. Tracking the page is easy. You can create a thank you page and just have GTM fire on the thank you page. But this is a method, hopefully, that is useful to people. Okay. Have a good one, and hope you dig this. 300 lines of code later. Okay. See you later.